Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This time in this video, I'd like to explain about noun clause connectors or subjects. Noun clause connectors or subjects are who, what, which, whoever, whatever, whichever. You need to bear in mind that a noun clause connector can also be the subject of the clause at the same time. Look at these examples. Number 1. I do not know what is in the box. In this example, there are two clauses. I do not know and what is in the box. These two clauses are joined by the connector what. It is important to understand that in this sentence, the word what serves two functions. It is both the subject of the verb is and the connector that joins the two clauses. Number 2. We are concerned about who will do the work. In this example, there are two clauses. The first clause is we are concerned. In the first clause, we is the subject of are. The second clause is who will do the work. In the second clause, who is the subject of will do. Who also serves as the connector that joins the two clauses. The noun clause who will do the work functions as the object of the preposition about. Number 3. Whoever is coming to the party must bring a gift. In this example, there are also two clauses. Whoever is the subject of the verb is coming. And the noun clause whoever is coming to the party is the subject of must bring. The word whoever serves two functions in the sentence. It is the subject of the verb is coming, and it is the connector that joins the two clauses. The following example shows how the sentence pattern could be tested in the structure section of the TOEFL test. Blank 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 was on television made me angry. Option A, it. Option B, the story. Option C, what. Option D, when. In this example, you should notice immediately that there are two verbs, was and made, and each of those verbs needs a subject. Answer A and B are incorrect because it and the story cannot be the subject for both was and made at the same time. Answer D is incorrect because when is not a subject. In answer C, what serves as both the subject of the verb was and the connector that joins the two clauses together. The noun clause what was on television is the subject of the verb made. Answer C is therefore the best answer. Let's practice. Look at the sentence and what is the best option to complete the sentence. The employee was unhappy about blank 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 was added to his job description. Option A, it. Option B, additional tasks. Option C, them. Option D, what. Have you got the answer? Okay, let's analyze it. There are two verbs seen in the sentence. Was before unhappy and was before added. The first verb was has the employee as its subject. But the second verb was has no subject. This sentence not only needs subject, but also a connector to join the two clauses. So, to complete the sentence and to make it grammatically correct, we gotta choose an option that can be the subject of the clause and be the connector of the sentence. Option A and B are incorrect. It and additional task can be subject or object, but they cannot function as a connector. Option C is incorrect because them functions as object. Option D is the best answer. What can serve both the subject of the verb was and the connector that joins the two clauses together. Okay, that's all about noun clause connectors or subjects. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.